But that's not even the problem, because if you want us to maybe start from the top now.
Yeah.
First off, you must have to pass through your GST courses.
I swear to God.
So that it won't be a...
Talk of the devil. Here she comes.
Hi, Jerry.
Hi, what's up?
Are you okay? Why is your face like this?
What business do you have with my face? Huh?
Okay.
I don't understand why are you studying my face, or is that the reason you came to school?
Why his face is like that?
Hey, shh! I wasn't talking to you.
Actually, why is my face like this? Is that the reason your parents sent you to this school? To study my face? Or you going to school?
Jerry, baby, stop now. I want to speak with you in private. Okay?
Whatever you want to say, you say it here. He's not a stranger. Just say whatever you want to say here.
Jerry, please now, stop all these things you're doing.
Stop this thing now. I don't like this thing. I'll punch. See, me, I'm warning you.
Oh, Angel is here.
Hey, baby. How are you?
Lord.
I missed you too. Let's go. There's no time.
Okay. Jerry. No, Jerry, you actually leaving me here for this long. This guy is leaving me for...
I'm so pissed right now. Who does he think he is? He's so arrogant, so rude, and so full of himself.
Ngozi, I understand you're angry, but I'm sorry.
You're sorry. I haven't been so humiliated like this my whole life. I feel like strangling him.
Why would you strangle him? See, let me tell you, Jerry is usually not like that. It was that witch. It was that witch that showed up and he started acting up. Didn't you notice?
Who was she? Wasn't she the same girl you went to meet the other time? The nobody.
I don't know for that witch. I think that girl has honestly bewitched Jerry. Jerry's not like that. Didn't you see? He was trying to chat us. The girl just showed up. He changed.
No, Ola. You're the one throwing yourself at Jerry. All I see is two people who are in love. Is it what you're going to fight for? Is it even worth it?
Ngozi, Jerry is not like this. You need to believe me. He just puts up this character so people think he's rude or something. It's not like... Remember, this guy is from my village. If it's like that, I won't be chasing... Not like I'm chasing after him, but just... He's not like that.
Admit it, you are chasing after him.
Warned you to stay off my man. You wouldn't listen. You can never have him.
Jerry is my man. And you know that.
You still have the guts to talk, right?
Baby, you out!
How did you get in here? Huh?
You forgot I have your key, right?
How did you get my spare key?
Tell this thing to leave this place now.
No, I won't leave.
Leave him alone!
I won't leave!
Hey, give me my key! Are you mad? Can you... Wait.
Leave my man alone. You can never have me.
You have to be mine.
Never have my man. You can never. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me.
You mad?
Leave me alone.
Where's the key? Where's my key?
You have the key. Leave me alone.
Where's my key?
My God.
Jerry. Expecting that lecturer to just give us a test.
Ola, you have crossed the boundary. I know you're the one.
Yes, I did it. And I did it for the love I have for you. Jerry, do you know how many times I've died inside watching you with all those girls? Do you know how I feel? Let me tell you, we are destined to be together and no one can stop us.
You're mad. Nice one. You're mad. You're already mad.
Jerry!
Stay away from me.
Jerry,
Stay
Jerry,
the hell away from me. I won't warn you again. I won't warn you again.
Let me tell you, if I don't have you, no girl will. Not in this campus. You slapped me, Jerry.
Change your color to black.
You slapped me because of this girl. Don't worry. We shall see in this campus. Can you imagine? This boy slapped me because of this girl.
It's okay.
Why would he slap me?
Everything will be fine.
Because everything is not fine. I think there's definitely something wrong with me. Because everything is not fine. How can you even say that? I think there's this spirit that compels me to do things that I do.
There's nothing wrong with you, Ola. You just have temper and you need to work on it. Honestly.
Just the other day, I slapped the CEO of a company just because he touched me to just greet me. Even today, I reacted in a way I shouldn't have. Because the way the whole things are going, I just feel like I'm getting ruined already.
Okay, let's assume that something is wrong with you. How do you intend to tackle it?
think I should just travel to my village. My father will definitely know what to do. Because he just look at me, only me. All our mates are doing well. All of us that graduated from the same department, they have good works. I have nothing to show for it. No money, no love, no house. I'm just frustrated.
But you turned down a relationship, remember? Obinna.
Don't even say that again. What stupid Obinna. Listen, if I don't be with Jerry, then there is no man for me. It's Jerry or nobody.
You never cease to amaze me, Ola.
Papa.
You're already here, Ola.
Already here?
Yes. You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you,
You're welcome.
Papa.
You're already here.
Papa, what do you mean I'm already here? Someone told you I was coming back.
Oledo, I knew that you are going to come back, and I know the reason why you came back. I am Mocha. Your father is Mocha. The eyes that sees in the darkness. Have you forgotten?
No, Papa. I've not forgotten. Papa, let's sit first.
You're welcome, my daughter. My daughter.
Papa,
Yes, my daughter.
since you said you know why I'm here, Papa, please, I need your help. I need your help. Nothing works for me. I'm frustrated. I feel dejected. Where my mates go and succeed, I just come back in shame. Papa, you need to help me, else I'm going to kill myself.
No.
I will take my...
Oledo, my daughter, shed those tears no more. Right before you were born, you were chosen by the gods and the deity of this family to do this work that I'm doing. My daughter, you are going to do a greater work than I am doing now. Let me tell you, there is no white-collar job that you will do that you will be successful at it. None at all.
Then, Papa, why did you allow me go to school? When you knew my certificate was going to be useless?
My daughter, nothing is useless.
Then, what am I going to use my certificate for when I can't get a white-collar job?
My daughter is the exposure, the experience. If I had gone to school, perhaps I would have been a more successful herbalist. Yes?
And what if I don't answer the call to the deity?
That is rather not imagined. This is the purpose for which you were born. You chose to do this job before you were born. You better start embracing your destiny for your own good. I, Mocha, your father, I am here to guide you. You better embrace your destiny, my daughter. Ha! My daughter, as you can see, I went to collect this herb to prepare a fertility medicine with it. The owner will come to pick you up.
Papa.
All I do.
Papa,
I can't go one.
How did he go?
Okay, where? Go.
Papa, no.
Oledo, my daughter. How are you?
Fine, Papa. How did he go?
Ola, the meeting was shifted till next week Friday because
Why, Papa?
the prince came back from abroad.
Eh?
Yes.
Papa?
Yes.
Wait. Papa, you mean my Jerry is back? Hey! Papa,
Oledo, come back here. Papa. Come back. Come back. Let me tell you something.
okay.
The king couldn't contain his excitement. Having just to see his son after 2 years.
Hey!
He was so happy.
Mana, Papa Jerry, you mean my Jerry is back in this village? Hey, Papa, you know what? Please help me take care of the herbal medicine.
Meaning what?
Papa, I need to see him now.
Oledo, come back here. Come back. Can you imagine the excitement?
Hey, Jerry!
Wait.
Welcome back. Hey, you back from UK. Welcome. You look so good.
Wait, don't tell me you're still stalking me.
No, I'm not stalking you. I heard you've returned and I'm so excited. Welcome.
Please. Babe, who's she? Is there any problem? Please, excuse me. Where did you come
It's
from?
nothing. She's one of the villagers here. Nothing serious.
Oh, I
Jerry.
get.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you. Oh, you actually came from the village. You can have this. Take.
But don't worry, she's not asking you for money.
No, let her go clean up, make her hair do something better with her life.
Oh.
Here.
Baby, you need to stop.
Collect money she's giving you. Collect the money she's giving you. Looks like she doesn't want to collect money.
Baby. Why can't the gods grant me the one thing that I ask of? Why are they bent on destroying my life? Why?
Ola, shut up. Ola, shut up. Do not make the gods angry.
Or what? Or what, Papa? What life is worse than the life that I live now? They want to kill me. They should go ahead and kill me. What am I living for if I cannot be with the man that I truly love?
Hi. Ola, what if you are not destined to be together with this young man? What if your destiny is not in line with his? What?
And what if we are, Papa? What if we are? I am tired of the deity telling me what to do, who to love, who to be with. I cannot do this anymore.
Ola, shut up.
I will not shut up, Papa. I must marry Jerry. And nothing is going to stop me.
Ola, keep quiet before you bring damnation upon yourself. Keep quiet before you bring damnation upon yourself.
I must be with Jerry, Papa.
Ola,
I must.
Ola, shut up. Ola, shut up. Come back here and don't bring condemnation upon yourself.
Where are you looking for? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you looking for? Stop. Look at this girl. I don't know who she's looking for. What are you looking for now?
Baby, please.
Do you want to die? Huh? Do you want to die? I'm asking you.
Please,
Come.
Don't you?
Are you touch my skull with your filthy hands.
Please, I love you.
I've told you times without number to leave me alone. We can't have anything together. Is it hard for you to understand? Is it hard for you to understand? Stop disturbing me.
Please, I can't live without you. Please.
Okay, let me just
Heartbeat.
go in and reverse, eh? God save you to stand on my way.
I still love you. I still love you.
My My friend, send this woman out of my...
Go.
Are you mad? Are you frustrating my life?
Go now. You don't want the prince to sack me.
Why are you frustrating my life? Okay, don't worry, leave her.
Prince sack me. Feeding me, go.
Hell we know no fury, Jerry, compared to my wrath. For every tear you made me shed, you shall pay 1,000,000 times. For I, Olidomoka, do not forgive and forget. I shall destroy you and your entire family.
Thank you. Well, you're not looking good at all.
How can I look good? Oh no. No, tell me how I can look good. My daughter is suffering in such a terrible condition. And you expect me to look good? Oh.
You can see, since the advanced medicine has failed to cure our princess, is it not time for us to seek the face of the gods and to know what they have to say or what they want from us? If you ask me, Igwe, Oyibo medicine has failed, and we must not rely and depend on it anymore. Let us seek the face of the gods.
Oh no. What can I do? Ordinarily, I would have relied on the orthodox medicine, but like you said, it has failed us. So I have no option. You seem to feel very strongly about this.
Yes.
Okay, so I want my daughter to get well. It breaks my heart to see her like that. Okay? I will do anything to ensure that she gets well under the circumstance.
Igwe, let's send for Moka. He is a very strong native doctor. He can do wonders.
What can I do? Huh? I don't really have any option again, so... Well, you have my permission. Go and bring him here immediately.
Let me go and bring him. Let me go and bring him right now. Let me go and fetch him.
What do you want me to do for you?
I want my brother Ben to come home. Not just to come home. Let him give so that he can give me money for me to go and marry my girlfriend Kosara. I want to be able to control him. Whatever I tell him to do, he will do without asking question.
It will cost you 70,000 naira.
Is there anything you cannot do? Do something for me. I don't have shishi as I am now. If you lift me up now, hit me on the ground, 10,000 will not fall out. Please, manage for me. Do something.
I'm afraid there is nothing you can do.
Please.
Matthias, I don't have time.
Chassis. Chassis. Correct.
Yes. How much are you selling this thing? Last price?
No, bro. See, I'm not going to vehicle as my man, and you're not even the market. Then let them not say you pay for line and all these things. Because you're my man, bring 100,000. It's again 100, just 100. Don't add more.
Matthias, this is old model now. I can use old model. This is old model TV.
Think of old model.
There's no antenna.
The people that will come inside there will they be old model?
Matthias, see, let me just tell you. The last I will pay for this 50,000 naira or nothing. In a record, I'm now
50,000.
Wow.
No, what are you doing in the post? What is 50,000? Remote, you can go out there and buy remote 1.5. Buy and 300. Put it there.
Matthias, are you selling or you are not selling? Nambi, if you don't have money,
are you buying good mat or are you buying television?
I'm not there.
Wait, they can only one about our phone like this. Another call also. I'm done. Okay. This is bad market for me. This is cost price. Can I level? No, cost price.
Whatever.
Bring the money. Thank you.
TV and go come on remote.
Can't get remote. Okay, I afford the remote. Get a cook for remote 300 about 5. Or change remote. You can use anyhow you want. One in your room, one in your parlor. I don't need to count it. See, I have a stabilizer. That I want to sell.
Bring it. I'm interested.
Go to your shop. I'll bring it there. Go to your shop. I'll bring it to your shop. See, let me tell you, if you are going, anybody stop you. Don't stop.
I know now.
Same thing.
Make sure I bring the stabilizer.
I will bring the stabilizer. Go to your shop. Kasike. You can go my way. The security don't call me. They will ask you for the seat. Never watch that television in here. Oh yeah, I can remember. 50,000. That can be seen as you go now. What else am I going to say? We'll say this by one hour. How much is wrong? You call this boy. Come on, buy.
Mama, you are evil. You are an evil woman, Mama. You are very evil. Yes. Mama, you are evil. Mama, let me tell you something. A good woman builds her home. Tries to make her home perfect. Mana nke gadro ya. Iji aka gị na policy ya ka ọkụkọ. scattering your home like the hands of a fowl. Mama, this is exactly the same thing that killed my father. But, Isimaya Alabania, you can never kill me, Mama. Imambumum, my head is too strong for you.
Hi, Ifeanyi, my son. Dimpam. Ifeanyi, go to Togo and look for your father. That's the bitter truth and nothing but the truth. Go and look for your father, Mr. Otos, before it's too late. Oh?
Mama.
Eziokwu na agba na nke zdo eziokwu ka m gwara gị. Oh?
Mama, isi gburu onwe gị na-asị. Dika, isi chachala asị, silu asị anwa n'isi. Let me tell you, Mama, for your information, this is my house. This is my inheritance. I am going nowhere. Igwebike Nwobi is my father. You should better know that, Mama. I am not going anywhere. This is my house. This is my home. So you better wake up from your dream. How?
Ifeanyi Ahowangi, go to Togo and look for your father. Forget all these lies and nonsense that your uncles are telling you. You know why all of them are after you? Just because of your money. Because you have money. The day your money disappeared, woo! Hawafucha, egona enyana.
Mama, so this is your prayer. This is your prayer. So you are praying for my money to finish, Mama. Let my money finish, Abi. Mama, let me tell you something. One, Mama, my money is too long. If your prayer is that my money, that you are carrying Bible, praying for, what sort of a mother are you to start with? A mother that prays for her son's money to finish. It's same evil, Mama. You are very evil, oh. And let me tell you something, Satan, shame unto you, all power belongs to Jesus. Makagini, Mama, my money be Lu China, see China, bang Indonesia, see Indonesia, bang Malaysia, see Malaysia. But Mama, so open your prayer, you better wake up from that dream because my money will never finish. As your time.
Hey, this song you started, Satan, shame unto you. Jesus, if only you know him. But let me tell you the truth.
But to shock you, Mama, my money will never finish. You go my alagunata. You go mu bu Malaysian money, bu Asian money, Indonesian money, Mama. My money will never. My money can never finish. So, it can never happen. So you better wake up from your dream.
Ifeanyi, look at the way you talk about money, power. Who gives you the power to make money if not God? It's God that gives the power to make money. So you should reference him. You should fear God. You should embrace God. That's all I'm asking of you people in this house. Embrace God. As for your money, I would rather remain poor and end up in my mansion in heaven than to be rich. Oh! Tetanora! Obimdere du atunujo, obimdere du na chukwu mani amodinere mu, obimdere du.
Abuzono wageni kanyi naifa.
So if your mother is this, I cannot believe this, Mama. Oh.
How much do you have there?
65,000, not for 5,000.
I told you to get 70,000 naira.
Yes. I say the remaining 5,000 and I will bring it. I will even pay with interest. Please, please, just give me I will come and pay you back.
I shall do it for you. But you must return to pay back what you owe.
I will come immediately as soon as
Because I, Oledo, I do not forgive nor forget.
I know, please. Please do.
Where are the other items I requested from you?
I have it here. There's a picture.
Drop it there.
I can go now.
Greetings, Father. Father, can I have a word with you? It's very important.
Jerry, nothing can be more important than the life of your sister. Moreover, I am not in a good state of mind to discuss anything with you now.
This is equally very important, please. I would like us to talk about it. I won't take much of your time.
So what is it?
Father, it's over 2 months. Gucci returned from the hospital. I need to know my plan concerning my marital life. I'm not getting any younger. Besides, I'm not the one who is sick. Okay, I'm ready. My fiancé is ready. I mean, we are ready to walk down the aisle. We're ready to do the right thing. It's more like I'm being held back, and it's no longer funny. I don't like it. It's no longer funny. It's not fair.
Jerry, can you hear yourself speak? Do you listen to yourself? Your sister is there, sick, and you are talking of your marriage. Eh? Why are you this selfish? Huh?
Father, this is not the first time I talked about my marital plan. But all you do is give me excuses. Before it got to this, my sister's point, I've been saying it, not like I've not been saying it. I wonder why you're holding me back. Other parents would want or even urge their children to get married. But in my own case, it's different. What's going on?
Jerry, get this into your head. There will be no marriage for you until your sister gets well. Every hand is on deck to ensure that she gets well, but here you are thinking of yourself alone. Do you really care for your sister? She's there battling for her life, and all you can talk about is your marriage? Look, Jerry, don't get me upset right now. Okay?
Father, you're already getting me upset because I don't understand why you're just giving excuses each time I'm not finding this funny anymore.
Get out!
Matthias! Where's Matthias? Where's Matthias?
I didn't meet him when I came, but he asked me to wait. I'm sure he's on his way back.
Are you sure you did not see him?
No, Mama.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
Matthias will kill me today. Matthias will kill me this time around. Let him get prepared. You should go and prepare for my burial. He will kill me today.
No, Mama. Mama, is there a problem?
Matthias will kill me this time around.
What happened? Is there a problem?
He should go and prepare for my burial. He will kill me today.
Mama, talk to me now. What happened? What did he do?
Matthias will kill me today.
Which burial? Mama?
Yeah? Where's my television, Matthias?
Mama, how long we talk?
Matthias, where's my television?
How long we talk to my father's house?
Where's my television? Mama. Don't lie, yo. Don't lie. Don't lie. Where is my television? Because your father is not around. You are the only suspect in this house. Where is my television? Where is it?
Hey, Mama, listen, Mama. See, you see this decision I took it for the whole of the family. Eh?
Matthias, which kind of stupid nonsense decision did you took? Matthias, go and give me my television. Where is my television, Matthias?
Mama, okay. As a reverend father, I should confess. Father, I saw the television.
Hey!
I saw the television to solve family
Matthias,
problems. Mama, what is it?
Mama, please.
Start of
Mama,
this.
please.
Start of this. Matthias,
leave him alone now, Mama.
Go and bring my television.
Mama,
this small house will not contain me and you.
Mama, you stay. I will go outside. I will sleep outside.
Mama, please.
You must provide my television.
Mama, please.
Mama, don't please me.
Mama, please.
Don't please me. Oh, take out those salmon. Eh? Those are one guy.
Mama, you not buy the television.
Mama, please.
You not try a lock.
But it's my own.
You want it from try.
It's my own. Even if it's dash. Even if it's dash, it's my own.
Mama, you want it.
It's my own.
The winner is always a winner.
It's my own.
Mama, you can win again.
Mama, please.
God provide my television.
My wife, save me. Save me.
Mama,
God provide my
Don't do this to your son.
I don't want to lose you.
Don't do this to your son.
Mama.
No. You don't expect me to do that. That's barbaric. I can't.
Jerry, you are missing the point. You need to always be beside your father, especially at this difficult time.
Thing is, my old man doesn't give a hoot about me. Every now and then he'll go to this, he'll go to that, he'll go to this, he'll go to that. That's the reigning thing in this palace right now. I should be getting the attention and not the woman.
Of course you should be getting the attention, but you are not. Because you're always distancing yourself from your father. Look at Ugochi, for instance. When she was strong, she was always around your father. She knows a whole lot of things you don't know in this palace. Please, you have to be close to your father, darling.
Because I know you're going to take sides. I'm not surprised.
Sweetheart,
Right.
look. I love you so much. I'm not taking any sides. I'll always tell you the truth regardless. You need to stand up on your feet and take your bed right.
What's happening to my daughter? Eh?
What's wrong with her?
I don't know. She was awake when I went to get hot water to clean her up. When I returned, I saw her like this.
My princess.
Hold on.
Wake up! Is she...
She still has pulse.
Okay, she has pulse. Hey. What is happening to her now?
I came and met her like this. My princess.
Benjamin!
Divine.
What are you doing inside my car?
Oh, sorry, my car battery is down, so I decided to charge my phone inside your car.
And I've been looking for my car key inside the house. You have to leave your car, come to my own car to charge your phone. Who gave you the permission to do so?
If I am not my brother.
And so?
So before I charge my phone inside your car, I should inform you first.
I don't get it.
Is that what you want?
You left your own car to come and charge your own phone in my car.
What is bad about me charging my phone inside your car? I don't get it. Are you not my brother?
You are mad. Come on, get out of my car. Who gave you the permission, the temerity to enter my car without my consent?
Ifan, you pushed me.
Are you mad or something?
You pushed me.
My king, someone is here to see you.
I don't want to see anyone. Send him away.
It's a she, your majesty. She said it's important, else the princess will die before nightfall.
Did you say you can hear my daughter?
Igwe, your daughter's ailment is caused by your enemies. Because they know that through her, they will be able to get through you and your entire household.
Alright, what can you do to save my daughter? Name it. Anything. I will give anything to save my daughter.
Let's talk in private, Igwe.
Come on, Dad. Don't tell me you believe this nonsense. This is ridiculous. I don't have to fall for this.
Don't go.
Allow this person to go. There's absolutely nothing she's doing.
For you to know that what I speak is true, before the sun goes down, you shall lose your daughter. And your son follows suit.
It's you that will follow suit.
In the next 4 market days.
It's you that will lose your life. Dad, come on. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? This girl is a freaking scammer, or whoever she is. She's a scammer. Let her go. She can't do nothing for us.
Please don't go. Please.
Can you let this woman go? Can you let her go, please? Let her go. Don't fall for this.
Please, I beg you. Help my daughter.
I will deal with Ben. I will so deal with him.
It's enough.
I will deal with him for challenging me in this house.
Your brother, Otto.
Hey! Mommy, where are you going to with your bag? It hasn't gotten to this now. Please, you guys should sort this out. It's just a minor misunderstanding. A minor one for that matter.
There's nothing to talk about, Cynthia. I'm done.
No, we are family. You can never be done. We are family.
Listen, I have my own family, so I'm going back to my family.
Yes, go.
Are you serious?
Ben, go. You useless son of a useless father. You go.
Ify.
Did you hear him?
Please. Yes.
No,
do you want me to say it again? You are a useless son of a useless father. Now get the hell out of this house.
Ify, are you? Just listen to yourself. Hey, Mba, no.
Let him be.
Ify.
Just go.
Ify.
Go and never come back.
One name. Listen to your sister, oh.
The next time you will attempt this again, I will deal with you.
It has not gotten to this. God, I'm your sister. Look at me, please.
You go and let me tell you, next time you step your filthy feet in this compound again, allow him to go. Allow him to go. What nonsense?
You are biting more than you
What
can
nonsense?
chew.
A useless son of a useless father.
One name, Biko.
Moron.
Oh, please. One name, Biko.
What a nonsense.
Please don't go. I'm your sister. Oh, Cynthia and Ekwe. See that is talking. Please don't go.
Right.
Please, I'm begging you. Oh no. I mean, Ben, don't go. Ben, please. Ben.
What you're asking is extremely difficult.
Not impossible.
Please, let me reward you with money. In millions. Just name it. Any amount.
I do not seek a dime from you, Igwe. I seek to be married to the prince.
But what you're asking for is practically impossible. The prince is engaged, about to get married. Moreover, he's very stubborn, strong-headed. There is no way I can convince him to accept you as a wife. Please.
I seek to be a member of the royal family. A bond that cannot be broken. Bonded by love.
All right. Oh. What about me? Will you marry me instead?
And if you don't keep to your words,
then let the gods strike me dead.
I will make sure you lose all your children in one day if you do not keep to your promise.
Agreed.
Where is she?
I came as soon as I heard. How is she?
Mama! Mama! Mama, come. Mama, never Ben. Mama, never Ben. My brother. My own brother. Hey!
How are you?
They can do one day,
Mommy, good afternoon, ma.
Mama, Ben is greeting you now.
Mommy, good afternoon, ma.
I don't want his greeting now by force. You brought up one night stand. You can't stay here. Go back to your father's house. Go back to your father's house. Are you hearing me?
Mama, never. I will not take it. Mama, don't do this thing. Why are you? This is Ben's house. His original, biological, and flesh and blood house. Eh? My father is his father. This is the flesh and blood. And I said, go where?
Also, no problem. We shall see.
Mama, my brother. Forgive my mother. You see, my mother. Oh, she's not like that. She's not like. Well, by the time you bring her this money now, go like 50,000 near. Say, Mama, come bajo. She will begin to call you. Hey, my son is back. You know, women. My son is back. My son is back. Oh, she will start dancing. So, if you want to give her money, give me. Let me give her. So, you don't have to worry. Where is your bag? Let me show you your room. Huh?
So where is Papa?
As for Papa, that one now. I am inundated not to talk. So, allow Papa first. You will see him later. Let me show you your room. Huh? One day came Avela. Oh, one day came Avela. One day came Anata. Hey. One day came Alata. Oh, one day came Alata. One day Malata. Oh, one day Alata. One day came Alata. That's my daughter. You're smiling.
Ola. Well, Oledo, thank you. Thank you so much.
Remember to keep to your promise, Iwe. Failure to do so will attract my wrath.
My princess. Come here.
Jerry.
Dad, I can't believe you fell for that. How could you?
Is that why you're looking like this? Oh, come on. Your sister would have died if I had done nothing. Okay? I needed to save her life. Does it really matter? The most important thing is that she saved her life.
Father, Ola is a manipulator. She's good at that. I know her too well.
It doesn't really matter anymore, Jerry. Okay, we can't cry over spilled milk. I have given her my word.
I know her too well, Dad.
Jerry, I have given her my word.
Dad.
Look, Jerry, I have made up my mind to marry her. And that decision is final. I mean, just look at it from another angle. It's not really a bad decision, you know. Come on, stop looking like that.
I told you. I am one step to becoming the next queen of this kingdom. Hey, and you know what that means.
What it means? Well, what it means is that I am now an in-law to the royal family.
Yes, exactly.
Hey.
Papa, you can say that again.
I am now a royal in-law.
Yes, Papa. That means we have the life of everyone in this village in our palm. We now have the power to give and take life.
Of course.
Papa, this calls for celebration.
Of course it does call for celebration. But, Ola, let me tell you something. Let me say something. Okay. There's something you must have at the tip of your fingers always.
Okay, Papa, which is?
Ola, desperate people makes mistake. Do not be so much in a hurry. I can see anguish and the desire to be just burning in you, my daughter. Ola, your greatest strength can be your greatest weakness. I am a royal in-law. One, relax.
Yes.
All the same, we are royal in-laws.
Papa, this calls for celebration. We need to make more sacrifices.
Had you seen you are a man, I would have given you no. All on one. You are too much. Royal palace, here we come. We have made it. All on one. We have made it.
A new queen has emerged.
Your queenship.
The palace, here we come. Papa, this calls for celebration.
I'm coming.
We need to give something to the gods, for they have done well.
Yay! Papa, come, don't run. Papa, don't run! Papa, we are here!
Benjamin, my son.
How are you, Papa?
My son. Forgive me, my son. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay, Papa. Everything will be fine. I am back and I'm back for good. Okay?
My son, forgive me, my son.
No problem, Papa. You're welcome.
Papa, I told you that I'm going to bring Ben to you. Now he's here.
Yes.
Huh?
Thank you, Matthias.
Papa, you feel that guy must get you also eh? You also I don't want no bunker. Go and bring it. Let's go back to the house.
Oh, yes.
You don't belong here.
We're here to take it to your home.
Yes. Bring it. Let's go.
Hurry up, please.
Ask me for now. Bring it. Go back to your house. Benjamin. Benjamin.
Mama, is this all you have to say? No, for real, Mama. This is all you have to say.
Yes. That is all I have to say. I would rather obey God than man. Inugo? Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Mama, it is obvious my presence in this house doesn't please you any longer. Now I will enter inside this house, pack my belongings, and leave this compound, and you will never set your eyes on me ever again.
Mama, it's not fair. Eh? Your approach is unfair.
Shut up! What do you know about what is fair and what is unfair? Mr. Gon!
Mama, if Brother Ifeanyi leaves this house, I will live with him. I will live with him back to the city.
Please, join him. Unuja, Punapu. The beautiful thing about this life is that it's every man, every woman, every child, every youth on his own. Onyeni is I'm your mother, yes, but we're not going back the same. We didn't come back the same. So it's every person on his own. See, you ought to go.
But if I am going to live with you if you are going back to the city, I'm not going to stay with Mama here. Okay.
All I'm telling you is to accept Jesus Christ as your personal Lord and Savior.
Mama, you are the one that needs to receive Jesus. Because I don't understand this Bible you are preaching. I don't understand it at all. Mama, what has come over you? Who is playing this music for you? Eh?
My princess. So how you feeling?
Much better.
My princess. At a point, I thought I was going to lose you. I was really scared.
Daddy, I'm fine now.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I had to get you through all of the stress.
No, don't say that. It wasn't your fault. There is nothing to be sorry about. Okay? As a matter of fact, I'm happy that the gods brought you back to us. You know, there's something we have to be grateful for.
Thank you.
Right? Come here.
Thank you. I have come to pay up my money. I even added 5,000 naira on top to show appreciation for what you did for me. As I'm talking to you now, Ben is in my house. He's in our house breathing. He's not just breathing the way I want. If I want him to do, he will do. As I'm talking to you now, he's there. Thank you. I said, let me come and give you this thing. I added 10,000. I promise you, man.
Amen. Matthias, you have done so well for yourself. Never you underestimate the power of appreciation, because it encourages us to do more.
One more thing, please. I want you to give me something that or do something for me that I want to control him. I want to have influence over him. For him to do anything I want, both in business, cars, money.
Yes. Ben more Kabia.
Are you giving me that?
Have it. Say whatever you want. Wabia.
Fire. Ben. Give me all you want. Give me all you want. Give me your car. Give me your clothes. Everything. If you have girlfriend, give it to me too. Let me add to the one I have. Ben.
Let's go.
Okay.
Put it here.
Okay. Berlin.
Dad agreed to marry that witch.
No. That is not true. Dad will never get married to that woman. Is this one of your insinuations?
It's already happening. He listens to you. If there's anyone to talk him out of that grievous mistake, that should be you. You are the cause of all this, everything happening in this family. You caused it.
Jerry, please stop.
No.
Stop this.
I was already concluding my marriage plan. Now everything is on hold because Dad wants to get married. And the primary reason for that is to bring her in so she could heal you. Now tell me, Tell me, what have you both not done to cause me pain? Did I do anything wrong in being part of this family?
Dad will never get married to her.
Well, it's already happening. Don't act dumb. Can talk him out of that ridiculous agreement. You already know what will happen when she comes in here with her black magic. It will be disaster.
Your Highness, I have done my part. All that is remaining is yours. Yes. You cannot afford to back out now. And you must remember, I am a very impatient person. Whatever you have to do, do it fast.
Hey, at least one good. Hey, now go to Abba.
Matthias.
One file.
Matthias.
Papa.
I want us to talk.
Papa, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, my son.
Now. It's good you are here. I was even saying that maybe when I finish talking with Papa, I will come and see you inside. Because I wanted us to talk, but it's obvious that God's hand is in this thing. There is no problem yet, but there may be if things did not go the way I want. Look at this list. That is a list from my in-laws.
Matthias.
So go through it.
Matthias.
Papa?
What is this list for? From your in-laws?
Papa, what is list from in-laws? Any list from in-laws, what is it for? Is it not for marriage?
I don't know.
Am I not enough to marry? Eh? Am I not old enough to marry? After all, Benjamin, I senior him, according to you. I senior him. So why can't I marry? Nah, go through that list. I want to pay my wife bride price for my traditional marriage and other things. It's not much.
Matthias, I've seen it. I will do something about it.
What I will not take is, let me think about it. What are you thinking about? Ordinary 500,000 naira that you will give me for me to arrange this thing. You are saying you want to think about it. Are you not my brother again? You can even also add something to it.
Matthias, I said I will do something about
it. You will do something.
I will think about it.
You will do something about it. I need it today. After all, you have the money. This thing is not. See, let me tell you. The 500,000 I'm talking about is the money that God gave you to give me. So stop saying this thing. See, let me tell you. 500,000 I'm talking about is the one that God gave you to give me. It's not like you are helping me. Yes. Papa, the rich he is today are supposed to be rich. But you went and deposited him outside.
Is that so?
Yes, now. Mama, what I call it one night stand. Now, that one night stand is standing. Can't you see that he's standing? I'm sitting. Okay? The money that you are giving me is the one that God gave you to give me. It is my personal money that God put in your care as a one night stand son. So you can add it something like 200,000 or 100,000 as my own brother that wants to support my marriage. Okay, see me. One again me support one. So after the 500,000, add the other year.
Matthias, I've heard you. I will do as you said.
I won't do as you said. Do it now. Okay. I want it now. Jebe.
Okay.
All right.
Jebe. Don't waste time, oh. Don't waste time. What the Papa and ask him, Papa, why are you doing this thing? I'm doing this thing for everybody. Oh. Am I not your son? Eh? Yeah, if you go to Diego, you're not sending him. But the money that God is supposed to give me, you go to deposit in one night. Don't you know that it's only in the night that God gives money? God gives money in the night, and you want to do that woman in the night. What are you saying? Let me get married. Let me get my own married.
Okay, I've heard you.
My in-laws are waiting for me. Lose of time to delay.
My princess. I can recognize that look. Yes. Spill it out. Come on, spill it out.
Daddy,
Yes.
is it true? Is it true that you're getting married to the priestess? Daddy, yes or no? Are you getting married to that priestess? Daddy, did you promise to marry her if she heals me?
Oh, come on. Why are you asking? Of what use is it to you?
Daddy, I am your daughter. I deserve to know. Are you truly going to get married to that?
Okay, princess, let me tell you this. When we lost your mother 20 years ago, I promised myself not to get married to any other woman. And the reason was I didn't want her memories, her beautiful memories, to wipe off my head. Okay? Moreover, I didn't want another woman to bring you and your brother up.
Daddy.
Look, I've not finished. Okay? Now, your brother will soon get married and he will focus on his family. You also will get married and leave this house. Now, what happens to me when both of you leave? I'll be lonely.
Daddy, don't get me wrong. I am not against you getting married again. But not to that devilish, mysterious priestess. What if there's a selfish interest behind all this madness?
Oh, we all do. We all have self-interest. My princess, don't worry about me. I'll be fine. Okay? As a matter of fact, I am fine with this arrangement. Yes, I see her as an asset to the family. Yes.
Jimmy, let me drink now. Let me enjoy with you. Give me. Very chilled. I love it.
This is so succulent and chilling.
Oh, I
chilling
love
in
it.
the house with the couples chilling in the house. Huh?
Hi.
Hey, welcome. Come. Come fast. Ben, listen. Don't make me to be wicked. Don't make me to tell you to kneel down. I am a senior brother. You must respect me. Do you understand? Where is the money I asked you to send to me? My in-laws are waiting for me and I told them I'm going to send them money. They have been waiting. What is all this nonsense?
I'm sorry, I haven't forgotten. I'll do it when I return, please.
No. Atom. What do you mean you will send it when you return? So my in-laws will be waiting for you to come back. Don't you know that you are the one to take care of my in-laws? Eh? You are the one to take care of my father and mother-in-laws. Okay. See, Oga, send that money now.
Can I have your account?
Send it now, else I'll slap you silly.
Sorry, sir. Let me have your account details, sir.
00 44 80 6004 Access Bank. Fast about it. My father-in-law cannot be waiting for you to take care of him for me. After all, God gave you money for me.
I've sent it. You will be credited soon.
Good. Meanwhile, where are you going to?
I want to go and see one of my friends in the village.
Hi. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. You want to go and see your friend of yours in the village without telling your elder brother? 2 months.
I'm sorry, sir.
I senior you 2 months. Your elder brother.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
If anything happened to you now, they will come and hold me and say, hey, Matthias, a personality like you, we are at home and your brother left without telling anybody. Something happened to him.
I'm sorry.
I don't like it. Meanwhile,
sorry,
my sweet banana, my lollipop, I want to take her out to kill fish and fresh palm wine for her. So I cannot be trekking to that place now. Me and my beautiful wife will trek on the road and people will see, hey, Matthias and a new wife trekking on the road. No, it don't happen like that. No, don't try me. Give me the car key, I need the car. Oh, God, give me the car key. Give me the key. Also, come. If you like, sleep there. If you like, sleep there. Don't come back this year. As long as you have the car for me, no problem.
Take it easy on your brother.
I don't need to take it easy for him.
Don't you think you're too harsh?
Too harsh again. If you don't do it like this, he will not obey you. He will not obey us. See, Bible said that the violent take it by force. I am the violent and I'm taking it by... No, I am not. I'm not. Oh, you know better. You have not heard. Yeah. Do you not know that this money that he's enjoying is my money? Yes, now. God gave him the money that's supposed to come to me. So he should come bring it victoriously and triumphantly. It's my money. My father went and deposited wealth outside. And now I'm here. No. He must give me my money.
Babe, please. Calm down. Please. I'm still here. Look, you need to be sane to handle this matter. Please. It's not like I'm going anywhere. I'm here for you.
Why must it be me all the time? Why am I always on the receiving end? Why? Nobody cares how I feel. Nobody cares. First it was Ugochi, and now it's my dad. My dad wants to get married to a strange woman he just met a week ago. 7 days ago. That means I have to wait. Right? I have to wait again.
Babe, please. We can actually do a simple marriage.
No, I can't. Because I'm not a nobody. I'm the heir apparent to the throne of this great kingdom. I have 5 kingdoms under me. I can't have a low-class marriage. My marriage must be celebrated.
Yeah, I got it.
You don't get nothing. You don't get nothing because you can't be advising us to do a low-class marriage. You can't. Besides, if you do, you'll be angry.
Please, you just have to calm down. Please.
But he cares how I feel. Nobody. Please, excuse me.
Oh, just calm down. I hope you're not going to do something irrational there. Please.
I want to see you.
I just hope so. What's all this?
Come. Eh?
I'm seeing the car.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Of course I love it.
You know I told you that all the people that we are telling you, leave Matthias. Matthias doesn't have future. Matthias doesn't have past. Matthias doesn't have present. They were telling you to leave me. All those people, they are going to become part of your Ashebi.
Eh?
Yes.
Baby.
I mean it.
Baby, do you know you are a prophet?
Hmm.
I mean, everything you've dreamed of is coming to pass. Ha!
That is why I'm asking you now. Do you like this car?
Of course I love it. It's a fine car. I love it.
And that means I'm giving you the car.
Eh?
I'm giving you this car.
Please don't joke with me. Stop. Don't joke with me now.
I'm giving you this car. Yes. I told you I am going to surprise you.
Are you serious? I love this car.
I'm giving you the car.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But baby,
Eh?
I thought this car is for Ben.
Of course, this is for Ben, but now it's for me. Very soon it's going to become yours.
Are you serious?
Oh, if I about aka nyerenye, aka. Ben, this is Ben's car. Ben gave it to me. Now I'm giving it to you.
Thank you. So open it.
No, it's open.
Okay, it's open.
Fill it. Fill it. Go on. Jack it. Papa, don't have to.
What are you doing in Ben's car?
Papa, I'm swimming in Ben's car. Can you tell me what am I doing in Ben's car? You saw me playing with this thing, with the key and everything, asking me what am I. See, Papa, this car belongs to me now. It's Ben's car, but Ben has given it to me. As you can see now, I'm trying to take my wife to be out. Eh? Don't spoil our mood now. We are in a high spirit.
High spirit?
Yes, Papa.
Matthias, you said high spirit.
No, low spirit. Mudodi.
Okay.
Papa, you're a joy killer. Buy motor. Buy motor. What is this?
I hope all is well.
Oh no, I was actually on my way to your house.
In that case, let us go to the house. I was actually going to see a dentist, but we can go to the house.
No, don't worry, we can talk about it here.
So what is disturbing my friend?
Oh no, were you aware my father is planning to get married for the second time?
Yes, my prince, I'm aware. I think his decision is right.
Oh, his decision is right. Getting married to a witch?
It's really long overdue for a queen. For him to decide to get married now, I think there's nothing wrong about that.
The only thing I understand in this whole thing is that you are part of this. And I see that as a conspiracy.
Yeah, I think supporting my king, there's nothing bad about that. Because we have been asking him to get married because he should need a queen.
Okay. And you don't think as the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom, I need to get a wife? I have been talking about getting married for a very long time, and you all have been keeping me waiting.
My prince.
And now you're supporting my father to get married, right? Leaving me behind.
My prince.
No, I understand that you are also my problem. Okay? It's obvious that you are also my problem, and I will deal with you like that. I used to see you as a very respectful, as a very diligent elder. But now I see that you're part of the reason I am not married.
But that is not supposed to stop your own plan.
No, it's fine. Let's get started.
There's nothing wrong about you getting married as well. Nothing
wrong with it. And you can't advise my... Are you not aware that I've been talking to him about it? You're not aware? Are you not aware that I've been talking to him about it? Even in your presence?
My prince.
You're acting like you don't know. In your presence, I have talked to him about it. And you're acting like you don't know. No problem. We'll start with that.
There's nothing wrong about your father taking the second one.
Hi, my princess, please. My princess, what is wrong?
What happened to her?
I don't know. I just came in and saw her like this.
Go and call Ola. Quick, go and call Ola, eh?
Okay.
She'll be able to cure this.
Okay.
What can Allah do for her? That witch can't do nothing. All she needs is to be taken to hospital. Let's take her to the hospital. That's the best thing to do.
Don't ever talk about my wife in that manner again.
Your wife?
Yes, my wife.